So there you see the power of connecting commerce with social and really, creating a new way of engaging shoppers. And so through these examples, whether it's Vibram or Suit Supply or Fanatics, what they're all doing is helping create a more compelling experience for their shoppers on their path to purchase. And in fact, the path to purchase has never been the same, right? Shoppers are working across all of those channels, and many times, 80% of the time, in fact, they're shopping across multiple channels. And so it's really imperative then, as retailers, that we offer a seamless, connected experience, whether it's social or mobile, in a personalized way. In fact, shoppers say 79% of them want you to leverage the information about their past shopping behavior, their clicks, whether they bought online and in-store, to create personalized offers and recommendations, right? To make that communication more relevant. And in a faster, connected world, even though we've done our shopping, and it may be because we've done our shopping before we've come into the store, when they go into the store, they expect faster service, right? And therefore, a more knowledgeable associate that can be informed about the products that they're selling and the shopper information. And so we're in an era today where it's a challenge for retailers, right? We have all these shoppers coming into our sites and to our stores with all this power and data at their fingertips on their mobile devices and through the web. But we're faced with our functional silos where the call center isn't connected to the website, isn't connected to the store, and fragmented systems of information that we're trying to cobble together and pull together to create that view of the shopper and deliver a seamless experience. But the research shows us that the customers want more. In fact, 4% of shoppers in our survey said that they believe a retailer knows them. Just 4%, right? We have a long way to go in terms of how we might better understand and know that shopper and express to them that we know them. And so there's a gap in terms of the shopper expectations and our ability to deliver. And in this, it means that there's possibility of poor customer satisfaction, dwindling loyalty, and there's a risk to our business. But it's more than a risk today, and I think we understand that. There's a reality that disruptors are filling this gap, and there's no bigger disruptor out there today than Amazon, where 55% of product searches start on Amazon. So if I already know what I want, I'm going to potentially search there and maybe find that solution. So we need to intercept those shoppers before they've thought about that purchase, to inspire them, to deliver that message to them where they're at when they're perusing the web or on their mobile device. And we can learn from Amazon. What are they doing? They're connecting with shoppers in a seamless way. They're delivering predictive recommendations using artificial intelligence. They're articulating communication in the context of a journey. And they're even reinventing a lot of the in-store experience. If anyone's heard of Amazon Go, it's about a seamless shopping experience where I can walk out the door without having to worry about the payment, right, and the transaction. So what are we to do? Amazon has $16 billion that they're spending a year on technology, right? How can we create this compelling shopper experience, communicate in a personalized way across journeys, across devices, and meet that expectation of a seamless shopping experience? Well, the answer is through the capabilities that Salesforce can provide. It's really about connecting your shoppers in a whole new way, starting with a single view of that shopper. And it starts with one-to-one advertising, right? And we saw an example of this yesterday with PetSmart, where they're able to expand their audience by looking at lookalikes and then deliver that compelling ad at the right moment in the digital channel where they know their shoppers are going to be, and engage them. And continue that engagement through one-to-one marketing, which is around email, mobile, social, web, and delivering those personalized experiences, just like Fanatics is doing at scale. And then extending that into a unified commerce experience. So being able to deliver a successful conversion, transaction, whether it's in-store or online. And then being able to inspire shoppers through apps, whether it's loyalty applications or brand applications. And this is all about connecting with shoppers, which is really critical to our business. But recognizing that 85% of transactions still happen in the store and will by the year 2025. What is that in-store experience like? How do you extend that to the in-store experience? And that's where Connected Stores comes in, empowering and enabling those associates so they have a 360-degree view of the shopper, but also the product information and the product availability. so they can ensure that that sale doesn't walk. They're able to serve that shopper with what's available maybe at another store or through fulfillment. And extending that through any channel service to connect with that shopper, whether it's through video chat like Suit Supply does, or SMS, or through the web, or even a traditional phone. And finally, about building a community, right? It's all about communities today, isn't it? Communities of employees, of shoppers, of partners, and building communities of advocacy around your brand to really build greater interest. And so how Salesforce powers this today is through what we call the Intelligent Shopper Success Platform. And how I like to think about this is that it's trusted, integrated, intelligent, and agile. All that you would need to help connect with your shoppers in a new way. It's trusted because underneath Salesforce is a global, scalable, secure infrastructure that's available anytime to run your business. And this multi-tenant cloud is what powers the Salesforce experience. We're focusing on technology innovation, so companies like you and Vibram can focus on product innovation. And then Thunder is about the data integration. Really, it's all about the data, having that visibility to the shopper, the point of sale data, the purchase data online, the CRM data, data from a data management platform from second and third party sources to really know that shopper and be able to engage them. But today, it's not enough to know that shopper, it's about engaging them smartly. And this is where we have Einstein, and Alex talked about Einstein and our investment in building capabilities to be smarter, whether it's through sales, and marketing, and service, leveraging predictive analytics, machine learning, and natural language processing. And then above this, because the shopper isn't slowing down, we talk about how do you serve the shopper at the speed of the shopper. It's about having the agility to build applications quickly, whether it's secure applications for your employees or highly scalable applications for your shoppers using the Lightning platform. And on top of all of this are a set of best-of-breed applications. That's our focus, to continue to deliver best-of-breed service, sales, marketing, commerce, of course, community, analytics apps. And we have a whole partner ecosystem. You can see the partners out here that have built applications that extend this even further, more than 3,000 applications on the App Exchange.